just a quick few minutes to talk about how to use this program to purchase a new home. Pete Mendenhall here with Fairway Home. Just wanted to kind of go through a home equity conversion mortgage for purchase. It's a great tool. It's insured by FHA. But what's interesting about this is it kind of gives you, it increases your buying power. And let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say that you're going to buy your final home, or let's say you're going to buy a second home. What's really interesting about this program is based on your age and the amount of money that FHA qualifies you for, we can actually give you a mortgage for that additional funds, but you don't have to make a repayment, a mandatory payment on a monthly basis. And here's what I really kind of mean. Let's say that you are looking to buy a house and it's $400,000. And you have $400,000 in cash because you just sold your old home, or you're taking some money from some investments, or you've got your 401k or self-directed Roth, whatever the situation may be, but you have $400,000. Why would you want to buy your final home and spend all the cash? Why not let me loan you, based on your age, up to 50 or 60% of that value? So for example, let me loan you $200,000, and then you use $200,000, and now you own a $400,000 home, but you in effect don't have a mandatory monthly payment. And I can show you and explain to you how this program works. It's the home equity conversion mortgage. Reagan put it in place. President Reagan did back in '88. And it's just been modified and enhanced and made better over the years. But it's an FHA insured program. Also have private programs that can do the same. They're all non-recourse loans, which is so important. It's a great protection. Ask me. I lived in California between '08 and '09 when property values plummeted and mortgage values stayed high. I was responsible for that difference, because those loans and the loan we probably have today, it's not one of these. It is fully recourse. That means somebody's got to pay the difference or get a tax gift, which would be a big hit if something happened. Whereas these type of loans protect you. But increasing your buying power is important. But let me give you an example that probably happens more than not. Let's say we have $400,000 and we're looking for a $400,000 house, but unfortunately, we really see a $600,000 house that just, boy, that is exactly what we're looking for. And this would be a great place to retire. I'd like to go in vertical and leave this horizontal, or as one of my friends says, toes up. Basically your last home. That's what is exciting about this, because now we can take the 400 that you do have and we can add my 200 to it, which again, you'll now be able to purchase a $600,000 home and not have to make a mandatory monthly payment. So basically a free and clear house as far as cash flow on a monthly basis. I would love an opportunity to kind of get into the details, get into the weeds, if you will, about how these programs work, how they might be a benefit to you when you're buying your final home or maybe buying a second home. But this program is very powerful. Very few people know about it, one, and two, hardly anybody, probably even your real estate agent, knows that you can be using this to purchase a home. I work with real estate agents all the time, and some of them are actually my best clients. They use this on their primary residence themselves. Once I get and kind of explain to them and show them how it works. Again, I invite you to find out the facts for yourself. I get paid whether I help you or not. It's just up to you to decide to take action. And I would suggest to learn the facts about using a home equity conversion mortgage, what we call H for P, to purchase your next home, or a proprietary program, which basically still is non-recourse. It's modeled after the FHA program, or buy your second home with this same type of program. It's a very powerful tool because it allows you to decide if you want to spend all cash or not, or it allows you, when you have a cash limit, to buy the ideal home that works for you, kind of the right size home, the correct size, not downsizing, but the correct size, and actually make sure that you have all that you need in that home. So I look